Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another simple DIY showing you how to create this faux wrought iron mirrored look. So I used 4 of these garden fences from the Dollar Tree and 2 mirrors from the Dollar Tree. I took the frame off of the mirror and I used hot glue, but you also want to use a stronger glue other than the hot glue like the Fix All or the E6000 to make sure that your mirror is secured down to this cardboard. So I glued those together. Then I took the I took the Fix All. So I used some Fix All and I glued the craft sticks together. I used the craft sticks, some Fix All and the hot glue, and I just put it all on there and I combined the 2 mirrors lengthwise. And you can do this in whatever design you like to do. I just created this look just to go in my home, and I may do something different with this look, but anyway, so I did use the craft sticks and I combined the 2 mirrors together. I used the Fix All to make sure that it had a more secure hold other than just the glue, the hot glue. So I put more other craft sticks, and this is how it looks once I put all other craft sticks that I used. So on to the next thing. The next step was to take 2 of the garden fences and I laid them out in a design that I thought I'd like to have. And once I got that design that I wanted, I just took the hot glue and I just kept it laid out and I just lifted up on the areas that I knew I can lift up, and I just placed the hot glue there. And this actually has a really strong hold. It's a stronger hold than I actually expected. So the hot glue really worked well. I didn't use any Fix All or E6000 on this portion at all. I just used all hot glue, and it actually has a pretty good hold. I guess because these fences are plastic and that hot glue, it just adhered together very well. So that's all I'm doing here. I'm just gluing the areas that I felt needed some glue, and that's all I'm doing there. So once I got both of my pieces glued together, I did this with the other 2 as well, the same design, and I just laid them out together to combine my mirror. I arranged them in the design with the mirror in the center. So once I got it centered where the 2 mirrors meet, that's where I put the seam for the 2 pieces of the faux wrought iron where they stick out. I used that as a guide to make sure that my mirror was centered, and I used a generous amount of hot glue, enough to fill in that area where the piece of plastic will meet with the mirror, and the 2 ends are not going to touch. You could arrange these to where those 2 ends touch if you like, but I didn't want it to touch, so I just put a generous amount of glue, but not so much to where it oozes out and get all over the mirror. I just put just enough where it's going to fill in the space that's up under the plastic, the part where you can't see. It's like a little opening there. Well, you'll see it if you decide to do this project, you'll understand what I'm speaking of. So I'm just putting more pressure down on this, and I just use a couple of mirrors from the Dollar Tree to just kind of hold it in place, just to put more weight on it until that glue actually dries. So I flipped the project over, and I'm going to use more craft sticks to secure everything down. So basically I broke some of the popsicle stick craft sticks in half, and I'm just using the hot glue to adhere these pieces together wherever I can add a popsicle stick or craft stick to combine the plastic and the mirror together to secure it more. That's all I'm doing there. So I use this Velcro. I use it just like it's the command strips. So I just cut a piece off. I just stuck both pieces together, cut a piece, and I used some hot glue. I took the sticky portion off, I'm sorry, the tape off the backing because it's already has some sticky on it. But I'm just using a little bit more hot glue on the part that's being connected to the mirror. And as you can see, it's Velcro. It's just like a command strip. And I'm doing it on both sides of the mirror. So when I get ready to put this on the wall, I can stick it on the wall. Just take the sticky part off of the backing. I'm sorry, take the paper off of the backing and just place it on the wall where I want to have it. So this is the final look, you guys. It really does look like wrought iron if you're just looking at it. So I staged the area. I'm calling this my indoor-outdoor look. This was my outdoor patio furniture, and it saddens me because my gazebo was destroyed by the snowstorm back in December. So this is how my patio was looking last spring and summer. And I really enjoyed sitting out there and having gatherings, and this is how it looked when the storm came. The snow was really pretty, but it destroyed the gazebo. So this is my indoor-outdoor look until maybe this weekend. Well, no, it's probably going to rain this weekend, but coming up soon, it'll be outside again. So this is the final look, you guys. Just showing you the faux wrought iron mirrored look. It's really pretty. I really like it. Very simple and easy to make. So that's it, you guys. And again, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. You can also leave me as many comments as you like. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.